So recently, I've been seeing an ad on YouTube. It's this weird scam robot dog ad, so I decided to buy it so you didn't have to. Let's see if it's real. Ooh. No way. I gotta get this.
Lifelike appearance to its dynamic movements, it boasts an incredible 99.9% similarity to a real dog.
Guess what came in the mail? Okay, so looking through the packaging, it's nothing like the advertisements. I expected that. Let's tear it open. Sweet. Alright. So it's actually really soft. It's a really nice and soft actually. So we got under there. We got some fabric, tongue. Let's see, I think the tail actually does wag. Test that out later. See what batteries it takes. Oh boy. Let's get this unscrewed and we can see what type of batteries it takes. Okay, so it looks like it takes 2 AA batteries, so I will get those real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Got the AA batteries. Let's pop them in. Alright, it's time for review 1. Lila M. 5 stars. This little pup is the cutest thing ever. The way it moves, wags its tail, and even barks melts my heart. It's like having a real dog without the potty trainer or chewed up shoes. My kids are obsessed, and honestly, so am I. Let's test her claims out. Second review here by Jake P. I wasn't sure what to expect, but man, this thing is amazing. The details are insane. It really looks and acts like a real puppy. It even sits and tilts its head like it understands you. Definitely worth it for how much joy it brings. Oh lord! That's quite the picture. Let's see how the details are and if it really does tilt its head, because I don't think it does. Alright, third review is from Maya R. I got it for my niece's birthday, and she hasn't put it down since. It's soft, playful, doesn't need feeding or walks. She even named it Buddy and talks to it all day. Best gift ever. Highly recommend! Let's see how playful it is. Alright, this review is from Ben H. It's like having a puppy that doesn't bark at 3 a.m. or destroy your couch. The movements are so smooth, and the craftsmanship is top-notch. It's been a hit with everyone who's seen it. My nephew tried to adopt it, but no way. I'm keeping this one. Let's see how other people react to it, I guess. Alright, last review that I'm reading, and the last review on here is by Sophie T. 5 stars. This puppy is adorable and has great attention to detail. Oh, the puppy does, huh? It moves so well and feels so soft, but I wish it did a few more tricks. That said, my daughter loves it and calls it her baby. Totally worth buying just for that. But, there's a picture included on this one. Okay, let's see if it does any tricks, because she said that she hopes it does a few more tricks. Let's see if it does any. Alright, we've got some very important testing to do. Okay, so first thing off the list. Does it wag its tail? Whenever it barks. Is it the cutest ever? I mean, it's cute. Honestly, I think my cat is cuter. It does not look real, or sound real, as a matter of fact. Alright, let's see if it tilts its head. It tilts its head this way, but it can't tilt its head side to side. Is it playful? Come here, boy! Come here, boy! Come here, boy! Screw you! Okay, I shouldn't have done that, because I think it broke the toy. Oh, that sounds bad. That doesn't sound too good. Since I am a YouTuber with no friends, I don't have anybody to test this out with. So, let's see what my cat thinks about it, I guess. There she is. Winnie, what do you think about him? You like him? Oh my gosh. You scared my cat away. It's an autopsy time because, yeah, I mean, it's broken, so let's see the internals. So this is the dreaded robo-monstrosity. It's actually very simple inside. We can take it apart a bit more. Isn't that easy? We have the battery area. We have the DC motor, a few gears. I think this is lubricant just to make everything go faster and smoother. From what it looks like, it's getting all over my fingers. I smell like something's burning. I hope that's not the motor. You know, we will find that out. So, I know we weren't able to see if it does any tricks, but you guys probably got the main idea of what this thing is capable of doing. I'll have some ratings on the screen here, and yeah, on to the outro. Was it worth it? No. Should people buy it? Not unless you hate peace. Would I buy it again? Definitely no. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and tell me what I should do next. Or don't. I'll probably do it anyway.